That's completely unreasonable.
If you want to fight, I can get you boxing gloves, but we're not here for that. My first case ever with worms.
Come here, Sophie. Get him, Rusty.
Can I say something?
No. If she hadn't had an oral agreement, how do you do?
The Animal Court is now in session. The Honorable Joseph A. Wapner, Judge presiding.
I know you've all been sworn. I have read your complaint, sir. You claim that the defendant's dog killed your dog?
Yes, sir.
All right. What kind of a dog was it?
Exactly like this, except about a half a pound to 3/4 of a pound heavier.
Heavier. Okay. How old was the dog?
9 months.
Tell me what happened.
In the middle of our complex, there's this pool and there's a grass area. I was on the grass area with my 2 dogs playing. We heard their dog coming.
Had you seen their dog ever before?
Oh, yes. Yes, I've seen their dog, but I didn't know they were out of their townhouse at the time.
Okay.
They went out probably before we came out. And I picked my 2 dogs up and I held them in my arms like this.
Okay.
And as they came walking by, the dog jumped up and grabbed the male dog out of my arms and proceeded to shake him. Both he and I and the lady finally got it away after a few seconds, and I reached down and grabbed it, and I ran to the hospital, the animal hospital, and he was pronounced dead a few minutes after I got there.
Do you know what caused the death?
The dog.
Well, I appreciate that, but I mean, what did you bite it in the neck?
You bite it right here, right there.
This is the dog in question?
As far as I can tell, yes.
Okay. What kind of dog is it?
Rottweiler.
Rottweiler?
Yep.
Okay. Were you there? Did you see this happen?
Yep.
Both of you?
Yes.
All right. You want to explain to me what you saw? I don't. Either one of you first. I don't care.
Okay, I'm coming back after the walk with the dog, and these 2 dogs, actually, I'm going from the bill against the bill, from the alley.
Yes.
I'm walking out, and 2 dogs running to my dog, barking. I told the gentleman he's laying on the grass to pick up his dog. He stand up, pick up his dogs, and he not holding like this. He just put on over here like this. And I'm passing by, he start talking to me. And I don't know, it's a split seconds. My dog never jump.
Was he on the leash?
Yeah, always on the leash.
The
same leash. The same leash. It's like 2 feet.
Yeah.
And I think I actually don't see it. I think his dog jumped from his hand. And
you didn't see it?
I don't see it because I'm facing him, talking to him. You understand? And I think his dog jumping because he's still barking on my dog. And she grabbed it. And that's it. A split second. I said, let it go. She let it go. That's it. It's no blood, nothing.
She just walked away. When it was 1/10 of the second. We just said no, and she just walked away. That's it. It was not even a second.
How long have you had that dog?
6 years,
Almost 6 years.
6 years?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Has it ever bit anyone else?
Never.
It's not vicious dog?
Never.
Never.
Anyone else there?
Yes, sir. I have a witness that saw the whole accident from her thing. She notarized it.
It's a lie. It's no witnesses.
It was absolutely.
What's a lie?
It's no witnesses.
It was no, but it was just 3 of us.
She was on her balcony.
She said she was on a balcony when she witnessed it.
It's a lie.
How do you know it's a lie?
Because nobody was there. I was there for 20 minutes. My husband, went with the dog home. Then
Are there balconies around there?
It is but there's no way she could see it because we was under it was only one single balcony and it's all glass and we was staying. Everything happened on somebody's balcony. I don't know who saw it.
Excuse me, Your Honor. She has no glass around her balcony. It's number 8, and she can see straight across the pool into the grass area. And she was standing out there either to get air or to smoke a cigarette, and she saw it all. And she told me 3 or 4 days later.
Which one of you had the dog on the leash?
My husband.
You did.
Both of them, Your Honor. Both of them were holding the chain.
Your Honor, can I say something? My husband was staying like behind with her, I was up front, and I saw how one jumped on the grass, and she, just a second, she picked her up from the grass, put it in front of her nose, and this was it. You know, it didn't terrify, it was no blood, it was absolutely nothing. I don't know how anybody can see
Your
it.
Honor, let me ask you, what time the witness saying there she saw it or he saw it?
You tell me what time it happened first.
Like 8:30.
7:30?
8:30.
7:30, Your Honor. because-
8:30 at night?
Yeah, the lady came to
Wait
my...
a minute. Did you
Okay.
check your watch?
No, first
Are
of
you
all-
guessing about the
No,
time?
I'm not guessing.
Your Honor, can I say something? First
Did
of
you
all-
look at your watch?
I know exactly, yes, I know. But we
What
leaving
time
the
was it?
house, it was about 8 o'clock. It
8
was
o'clock.
7:45.
How do you arrive at the $4,500 damages, sir?
The cost of the dog,
How much was the dog?
$700. The damages that I had to pay for the dog, the hospital bill.
How much
plus,
was that?
That was about $300.
What do you mean about? Don't you have a copy of the bill?
Yeah, right here. You have them all, I think, over there.
What else, sir?
And then when I was trying to get the dog from him, I wrenched my knee. The following
Did
morning,
you see
I
a
went.
doctor?
Yes.
Is that in here too?
Yes, sir. And the reason I say
What
the
else?
time it was between 7:30 and 8 o'clock, which I said it was that time. But 5 days later was the longest day of the year anyway. It was light out till 9:30. The 21st of June is the longest day of the year.
Any other damages, sir?
Your Honor.
No, sir.
Cost
No
of
other
the
damages.
dog, $300 for the vet bill, your knee,
Knee was everything else.
what else?
That's it.
That's it.
And then I went to, 3 days later, I went to their house and invited them over. They wanted me to come in there. I wouldn't because the dog was there. They came back to my house, and we walked in there, and I said, there are a few things that I can do. I can turn this into the animal regulations, which there's a very good chance they'll take your dog away because he killed another dog, or I could sue you. As soon as I said that, the gentleman said, you want to sue me? Go ahead, sue me. I don't care, sue me. Try and sue me now. I said, goodbye.
Sir, can I say something?
I don't really care about whether you charged each other with suing or whatever. It doesn't matter.
Because what happened, he was yelling and screaming and waving with his hands, and he goes, I can sue you just like this because you're from foreign country. That's why my husband said, let's just go away. You do whatever you want. I don't think we have to be punished because you're from foreign country. We didn't do anything wrong. This is the
And I
thing.
got the tape, Your Honor.
What is the tape?
It's him walking perfectly, not limping.
What day was it taken?
It's like Friday.
Friday what?
Next day. The
It's
same week.
15.
Bless you.
It's what's
19,
happened Monday.
19.
It's the same week, Friday. And dog still are not on the leash. And I got on tape. His 3 dogs
All right,
now
let me see
not
that.
on the leash.
Let me see the tape.
And this is the rules and regulation that we give dogs.
Excuse me, sir, I didn't know anything about this tape. I don't think it can be brought in. It
I'll
wasn't told to
determine
me.
that after I look at it.
Oh, okay. You gonna look at it there?
Right there.
This is the gentleman walking 1, 2, 3 dogs.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, it's hard to see because I'm not a professional. I mean,
Well, but that's beside the point. If I can't see anything, then you haven't proven anything.
I went out a month ago and bought 2 more. They are 3.5 months old right now.
They're still not on a leash.
Probably been worse if he had been on a leash under these circumstances. I'll come back with my decision shortly.
Remain seated and come to order. This court is again in session.
I have one question to ask each of you before I give you my judgment. Sir, if the dog was DOA on arrival at the vet's, how do you get a $300 vet bill?
Excuse me. He wasn't dead on arrival.
I thought that's
he
what
died,
you said.
He died at the hospital.
Well, what did they do for him?
Well, they tried to keep him alive.
For how long?
About 15 minutes. And he said he
He
was
charged you $300 for 15 minutes?
There was also a cremation.
The chain that's on the dog now, is that the way it was on?
Yeah.
Yeah, always.
That chain, what I've been told, is on backwards. And you cannot effectively control that dog the way the chain is.
What do you mean backward? When I'm walking with the dog,
It's
the chain
backwards.
is like this.
It's a
When I
choker.
walk with the dog, I chain like this.
Okay.
It's a choker.
Even though there's no violation of the off-leash law, my judgment is the defendant did not properly control the Rottweiler. The plaintiff was holding the dogs, and the defendant's dogs jumped up and killed one of plaintiff's dogs. Insofar as the damages are concerned, you get $700 for the cost of the dog, $172 for the vet bill and cremation, which is $872. The money for the doctor for the knee is not explained properly, and I don't have any legal causation that this dog caused the damage to the knee. There's nothing in the report to indicate that. It's too vague. Judgment for plaintiff for $872.
They're 3 months old. I got them a little over a month ago. And their names are Cleopatra Jones and Mark Anthony. This dog here that you saw on the show is called Delilah, and the dog that was killed was called Samson. Short-haired Samson. These two dogs were bought for breeding. They were going to be bred together because they were a perfect match in weight, height, and everything else. There was no way I could get another match for her. It was something that happened, that God wanted it to happen, and it happened. I have the pain, the gentleman has the shame.